Many people start gardening on a balcony thinking it will be simple, only to discover that container gardening has its own challenges. Plants dry out too fast or stay too wet, or suddenly collapse for reasons that don't happen in the ground. And that's completely normal. A balcony is a very different environment, and pots follow a different set of rules. But once you understand those rules, everything becomes easier and your plants can truly thrive. So today I want to share the 5 golden rules that apply to every single plant you grow in a container. It doesn't matter whether it's herbs, flowers, tomatoes, fruit trees or house plants. If it lives in a pot, this rule decides whether it will survive or struggle. Master this and you will unlock real success in balcony gardening. Let's dive into the 5 golden rules for balcony and container gardening. Rule number 1, drainage is non-negotiable. Every pot, every planter, every DIY container must have holes at the bottom. Real holes, not a tiny pinprick. The number 1 cause of plant death in container is water stagnation. When water can't escape, the roots suffocate and rot. Good drainage is the foundation of healthy container plants. Rule number 2, never use garden soil in pots. Soil taken from the ground compacts inside containers, blocking oxygen and suffocating the roots. What you need is a high-quality, lightweight potting mix, something that stays hairy and drains well. Perlite, coco coir, compost blends, these ingredients keep the soil structure open so your plant can breathe. Rule number 3, fertilization is mandatory. A pot is a closed system, which means nutrients washed out quickly every time you water. After about 6 weeks, most balcony plants are starving without showing obvious symptoms yet. You need to feed them regularly, especially with a liquid fertilizer to keep them growing and producing. Rule number 4, pot size always matters. Roots need space to expand, anchor the plant, and absorb nutrients. If you try to grow a big plant in a tiny container, it will stay small, stressed, and unproductive. Bigger pots create more stable conditions, more moisture, more nutrients, and healthier roots. Choose the largest container that fits your space and your plant's needs. And rule number 5, always consider your microclimate. Balconies heat up fast in summer, which can bake the roots, especially in dark pots. And in winter, containers freeze much faster than garden soil. This means you need to insulate pots in summer, shade them from extreme heat, or protect them from frost in winter. Your balcony has its own weather, and your plants feel every degree of it. So to recap, ensure good drainage, use lightweight potting mix, fertilize regularly, choose large pots, and protect your plants from temperature extremes. These 5 basics are the foundation of successful balcony gardening. Once you understand them, you are ready to grow almost anything. If you want more tips like this, make sure to subscribe. There is a lot more coming to help you grow more food, even in the smallest spaces. See you in the next video and happy gardening!